Taurus, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang weekly reading ninyo for April 6 to 12, 2026. General reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-iingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa calendar ko. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Taurus. What's the energy for this week sa mga Taurus? Denial. Oh, meron daw kayong ayaw makita or iniiwasan na harapin. Some of you are in denial. Or maaaring kailangan nyo na to talagang ayusin, harapin, at pansinin, i-acknowledge. Kasi the more na iniiwasan nyo to, the more na hindi nyo nasusolusyonan or nakikita yung problema. You have the celebration o merong major celebration for you. Some of you are going on a date with someone na mahal nyo. Someone who's very important in your life. Yung iba naman, this can be a celebration of your accomplishments. Meron kang na-achieve this week. So it's you celebrating with your loved ones. You have the Eight of Pentacles. This is work. Maaring meron kang tinatrabaho ngayon. Binibigyan mo ng focus, attention. Maaring yung ibang importante na bagay sa'yo, nakakalimutan mo na or parang inaisasantabi mo. So, yun yung kailangan mo ring harapin na ano ba yung kulang, ano ba yung kailangan mo bigyan rin ng focus at attention. The Justice card, this is about weighing things. May ano ka, tinatansya. Or weighing. Kumbaga, you are making this decision whether saan mo dapat ibigay yung focus mo. Or this is you bringing balance sa buhay mo. Na ano ba yung kailangang asikasuhin, mas importante. You have the Four of Swords. So this is about your health, kalusugan. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong health concerns na hindi nyo binibigyan ng focus. Parang iniisip nyo, ay, huwag ko nalang pansinin, baka mawala na lang yung sakit. So, ito yung kailangan mo nang bigyan ng attention kasi pwedeng maging problema yan in the future. Mas lumala. So, you have the Magician. This is about finding solution sa mga problema mo. So, ano man tong mga challenges na pagdadaanan mo, meron kang kakayanan to turn things around and to overcome that challenge. You have the King of Pentacles, stability sa finances, work, opportunities. Pwedeng iba sa inyo merong promotion sa work, leadership role. Ikaw ay magiging leader. But merong competition dito, so pwedeng may mga magko-question ng leadership mo, may mga makikialam sa pamamalakad mo, or sasabihin na you don't deserve it. But ipaglalaban mo yun, Seven of Wands. You will, defend yourself. You also have the Four of Pentacles, which is stability of your finances and your work. So, maari kasing merong may mga taong hindi masaya sa accomplishments mo, sa achievements mo. And ang ginagawa nilang diskarte is to make you feel bad about yourself. Wag mo nalang pansinin kasi may mga insecure na tao minsan. Just focus on your goal. Okay? Meron kang good news na maririnig. May good news na darating. You also have the two-faced friend. Meron ka raw doble karang kaibigan. So, pwedeng ito yung marirealize mo. Kung sino yung totoong kaibigan para sa'yo. At least nalaman mo, diba? Oh, you are protected from negative forces beyond your control. Wow. So I think this is also the good news. Meron mga taong magta-try na i-bring down ka. Hindi sila magtatagumpay kasi you are divinely protected. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.